Welcome to the Plant Farm It YouTube channel. There are three kinds of mulberry trees: black, red, and white. Choose a mulberry tree that will grow in your region and fit into your garden. Grow mulberries in full sun in compost-rich, well-drained soil with the soil pH between 5.5 and 7. Mulberries are self-pollinating. Space mulberries 35 to 50 feet apart. Plant bare root trees in early spring, as soon as the soil can be forked while the trees are still dormant. Keep the soil where young mulberry trees are growing evenly moist. Fertilize established mulberries once a year, in spring with the 1010 organic fertilizer. Mulberries that have been trained to a sturdy framework will require only light pruning each year. White and red mulberries are ready for harvest in late spring. Black mulberries ripen in summer. Mulberries are not difficult to grow once established. There are three kinds of mulberry trees: black, red, and white. Black mulberry fruit is large, 1 to 2 inches long, and juicy. They have an intense sweet tart flavor. The tartness of black mulberry is reminiscent of grapefruit. Black mulberries are considered the best tasting. Red mulberries taste almost as good as black mulberries. They are about the same size. White mulberries are smaller than black or red mulberries. They are far sweeter, almost honey flavored, with no hint of tartness. Choose a mulberry tree that will grow in your region and fit into your garden. Black mulberries grow 30 feet tall and about 35 feet wide. Some cultivators grow shorter. Red mulberry trees grow 35 to 50 feet tall and wide. White mulberry trees are the most cold tolerant and faces growing 30 to 80 feet tall and wide. White mulberries leaf out in spring, about 2 months before black and red mulberries. Grow mulberries in full sun. Trees will bear fruit in partial shade, but the flavor and yield will not match plants grown in full sun. Plant mulberries in compost-rich, well-drained soil, with a soil pH between 5.5 and 7. Mulberries will adapt to almost any soil, but they will struggle in wet soil. Avoid planting mulberries where failing fruit will hit sideways. The fruit will not stain, but fallen fruit is messy and will stick to shoots. Mulberries are self-pollinating. They do not need cross-pollination. Most mulberries are wind-pollinated. Some mulberries set fruit without pollination. Plant bare root trees in early spring as soon as the soil can be forked while the trees are still dormant. Plant container-grown or paled and bar-leaved trees in spring or early summer, before hot, dry weather comes. In mid-winter regions, mulberry trees can be planted in the fall. Prepare a planting site in full sun that is sheltered from a prevailing breeze or wind. Work well rotted compost or manure into the soil. Dig a hole half again as deep and as twice as wide as the tree's roots. Add a cup full of all-purpose fertilizer to the bottom of the hole. Put a tree stake in place before planting. Drive the stake into the ground to the side of the hole at least 2 feet deep. Refill the hole with half native soil and half aged compost or commercial organic planting mix. Firm in the soil so that there are no air pockets among the roots. After planting, water each tree thoroughly and fertilize with a high phosphorus liquid starter fertilizer. Keep the soil where young mulberry trees are growing evenly moist. Do not let the soil dry out. Mulberries are drought tolerant, but if the soil becomes too dry, fruit will drop before it ripens. Fertilize established mulberries once a year in mid to late spring with a triple 10 organic fertilizer. Mulch with aged compost in autumn. Winter rain will carry nutrients down into the soil. Mulberries that have been trained to a sturdy framework will require only light pruning each year. Mulberries set fruit on growing shoots and on spurs on older root. Prune away dead, diseased and broken branches. Also selectively remove new shoots that crowd the center of the tree. Midsummer prune sublateral branches, growing off of the structural limbs to 6 leaves. This will help create short fruiting spurs. White and red mulberries are ready for harvest in late spring. Black mulberries ripen in summer. Spread a tarp or sheet under the tree and shake the branches until ripe berries fall. Ripe white and red mulberries will fall readily. Black mulberries might need to be cut from the tree. The juice of red and black mulberries can stain hands and clothing. Unwashed mulberries will keep in the refrigerator for several days if placed in a covered container. Mulberries can be frozen shortly after harvest. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm It is a platform for horticultural and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.